Sportsman's Guide is at SHOT Show 2024, looking at a lot of great new products. We're in the Do-All booth with Sawyer. And Sawyer, you guys have put together a really cool package, sort of everything you need to hit the field to start shooting clays with a robust cart, a fantastic thrower. Tell us about this whole setup.
Yeah, so this is our Flyway 4x4, 60 clay stack, Wobbler Kit included, so you can have that autonomous throwing, and just a heavy duty, overbuilt carts. You're not going to break it, it'll go through anything. Hooks up to a 2-inch hitch, so you can pull it around with your four-wheeler side by side, carry all your clays, shells, the battery. So just really trying to make it accessible, mobile, and easy.
And you've got handles on it to move it. It's very easy to move by hand as well. So you get it kind of in position with however you want to tow it, and then you can kind of get that final position or move it around throughout your shooting session.
Absolutely.
Yeah, fantastic. And I think it's really neat. You thought of, hey, we got to include wheel chock so this thing is stable, so you don't have to worry about any of that.
Absolutely.
Right? A big heavy duty cart, overbuilt, fantastic product from Do-All, and you can find it at the Sportsman's Guide.